Hi everyone at home. Today we're going to do some exercises that focus on our lower body movements. You will not need any equipment for these exercises. Just make sure that you have plenty of room around you. So first we'll start off with a greeting and then we'll look at our schedule. Everyone please stand up and attention. Feet together, hands at our side. Everyone hands up. Touch your head. Touch your shoulders. Touch your hips. Touch your knees. Everyone stand up and attention. Let's begin our at-home exercise. Yes, hand up for 3, 2, 1. Everyone attention and at ease. All right, let's look at our schedule for today. To begin, we're going to do a warm-up. We're going to do marching for one song. Then we'll move on and we'll do squat downs for one song, and we'll finish up with some toe touches. Our goal for today's lesson, we want to focus on our lower body movements. So big lower body movements with our legs and our feet. All right, so let's get started. Remember, our first exercise is going to be a warm-up. So we're going to start out with marching. So everyone please stand up and attention. Feet together, faces up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a fist and march. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Attention. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a fist and march. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Attention. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a fist and march. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Attention. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a fist and march. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Attention. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a fist and march. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Attention. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a fist and march. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Attention. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a fist and march. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Attention. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a fist and march. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Attention. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a fist and march. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Attention. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a fist and march. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Attention. And everyone at ease. All right, great job with our warm-up exercise. Let's look at our schedule. All right, marching for one song today is all done. Very nice job. Next, let's move on. We're going to do squat downs for one song. So everyone stand up and attention. Feet together, faces up. And everyone squat down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stand up. Attention. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Squat down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stand up. attention, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, squat down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, stand up, attention, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, squat down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, stand up, attention, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, squat down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, stand up, attention, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, squat down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, stand up, attention, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, squat down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, stand up, attention, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, squat down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, stand up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, squat down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, stand up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and everyone at ease. All right, great job. Next, let's move on to our final exercise for today. Let's look at our schedule. All right, doing our squat downs for one song is all done. Next, we're going to finish up with our stretch. So we've done all of our lower body exercises. We're going to wrap up with some toe touches. For this exercise, I'm going to demonstrate an example because we can do some modifications. So we're going to sit, make sure we have plenty of room to sit with our legs out nice and straight. If you can find a spot where you can lean your back up against a wall, then that can help as well. If you have very tight legs and cannot reach all the way down to your toes, like myself, then you can reach for your shoes, your shins, your knees, whatever is best for you. So please try your best. Remember, our goal is to have large lower body movements. All right, everyone making a pose, so sitting with our knees into our chest to start out. And everyone, legs out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hands up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and reach for your toes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, make a pose, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, legs out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hands up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and reach for your toes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, make a pose, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, legs out, 2, 3, 4, 5, right, guys. Oh, we have our next exercise going. All right, very nice job. Let's look at our schedule. So we just finished up with our stretch. We did one song of toe touches, so very nice job. Our toe touches today are all done. Next, let's get ready. We're going to have a closing greeting. I hope you enjoyed our lower body exercise today. Remember, our goal was to work our legs and have big leg movements. So everyone, please stand up and attention. Everyone, hands up. Touch your head. Touch your shoulders, touch your hips, touch your knees. And everyone stand up and attention. Our at-home exercise is over. Thank you. Hand up for 3, 2, 1. And everyone hands down. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and stay healthy at home.